Welcome to Commons West. This is a 5-story apartment building on the western end of the Ithaca Commons. We're here today to see apartment 503, a studio on the 5th floor. Let's head on in. As you enter, you will find your kitchen in a little corner nook area to the left. The kitchen has a full-size refrigerator, a microwave, and an electric oven and stove, as well as plenty of cupboard space. On into the living area, you'll find 5 pieces of furniture: a dresser, a full-size bed, a desk and desk chair, and a bookcase. This apartment faces west with a great view overlooking Cayuga Street. Every unit is air-conditioned and has a heating element. As well as plenty of closet space. One great feature of Commons West is the intercom system, so you can buzz your friends up. We'll finish in the bathroom. A nice bathroom with a shower tub combo, a vanity, and a 3-part medicine cabinet. Rent for Commons West apartments includes heat, water, and trash and recycling fees. Electricity is the tenant's responsibility, and high-speed internet is available upon request. Thank you for coming on a tour of Commons West 503. Call us today for availability.